This is just a one note summer picked up on a single note. Other notes about to follow, but the root is still that note. Now this next one is a consequence of the one we've just been through, as I'm bound to be the unavoidable consequence of you. There's so many people who can talk and just say nothing and just say nothing. I have used up all the skill I know when at the end I've come to nothing, no really nothing. So I must come back to the first note, as I must come back to you. I'll pour into this one note all the love I feel for